cover the remaining selection tools, and I'll also show you how to use the pen tool for this selection. We have the lasso tool. You just select object like this. This is one of the tools that you will be using a lot during your work. You just select object like this manually. And you can also use the Option or Alt for removing areas like this. And you can use the Shift to add areas just like this. So this was the polygonal lasso tool. Then we have the lasso tool itself. It works like a pen. You'll just draw anywhere that you want to select. And after that we have the magnetic lasso tool. This one works as a magnet. It sticks to the pixels that have the similar colors. These are all the selection tools that we have. You can combine them, by the way. For example, if I use this object selection tool, I can then use the polygonal lasso tool to add areas. Press Shift and add areas. You can also press on the Alt or Option to remove areas. Just like this. We will be using this one a lot during this course. Now let's talk about the pen tool. With the pen tool, you can make a path around any object that you want and then turn it to the selection. With this, you have a lot of control over your selection because you're basically turning a path into a selection, and with the pen tool you have so much control over it. You click and hold and then drag your mouse to make the handles for the points. As you can see, our path is filled. We don't want that, it's distracting. When I'm working with the paths, especially when I use it for selection, I bring down the opacity, just like this. If you want to control the handles, press on the Alt or Option to play with the single handle, and Control to play with both of them together like this. With these handles, you play with the direction of the path and also the curveness of the path. As you can see, when you click and drag, you create this curveness and these handles. Now make sure that you close your path just like this. Now select the path and Control and click on it. Just like this, we created a selection. Now you can hide the shape that we created. Click on your photo and then mask it like this. Then we can refine the mask, double click on it. We can go to the refine the edges and refine our selection just like this. I mean, you have all of the controls that you have on the traditional selection tools. Now also you can go ahead and use the brush tools to bring some of the areas that we removed. For example, these areas we removed. I'm going to use the white color and the brush to bring it back. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed and learned something new. In the next lesson, I will show you a technique how to remove the background from the hairs, especially the curly hairs. I'll see you there. Bye bye.